Alright, hello everybody, and welcome to tonight's stream. I don't really know why, but I was looking forward to doing this. Oh, excuse me. I was looking forward to doing this literally all day. And then it came time to actually do it, and due to some unforeseen issues that happened earlier on in the week, I've been kind of dreading it. So, two things that have happened. First off, I accidentally broke my Linux install. So I had to reinstall Linux from scratch. I'm getting me some stream fuel for this one. Just because I need something to help keep my spirits up. Actually, you know what? I think I'm also going to just turn on this webcam here real quick. One moment. Alright. Here we go. A little bit of a stutter there on everything, but that's fine. Let's add a video capture device. Why not? Sure, let's go with all these. Is it actually going to work? It's not turning on. Is it anywhere? I don't see it anywhere. Oh, here we go. Okay, but where is it? Boy, do I look big. It's about really as far away as I can go with it. Okay, well, I still don't have a location for it on the screen. Where is it at? Hello? Webcam? It's kind of useless to even have you here if you're gonna hide. Well, something else I'm gonna have to look into. Alright, well, let's take that off so it's not pulling any extra CPU power. Alright then, let's get down to the game, shall we? So as I was saying, I broke my computer, so I had to fix my computer. I fixed it. Then I ended up having to go out of town, which chewed up all of my free time across several days. Ended up working 16 and a half hours straight. Was completely exhausted Thursday. Friday comes along and I suddenly realize, oh shoot, I've had to reinstall literally all of my entire operating system and everything. I'm not going to be able to stream unless I have the software at least set back up. So I spent a lot of yesterday evening and a lot of this morning streaming, or building and rebuilding OBS Studio for Linux so that I could, so that I would be able to then stream tonight. I'm still missing a lot of overlays, I'm still missing a lot of stuff, but I just had to get something up and going. And it turns out that the OBS Studio for Linux is highly modular, which means if certain modules are missing, it doesn't necessarily break. And as a result of it not necessarily breaking when something was missing, the initial build that I had completely removed all chances of, I say chances, but it completely removed all forms of screen capture. So you couldn't see this, you couldn't see anything. I could do audio, static images, static colors, and that was it. Nothing more. A little bit annoying. Alright, so let's see if I can run this and then remember what we were gonna do. So, alright, we got the movement system sorted out last time, and everything was working along quite nicely with that. So now the thing I need to do is... Ooh, okay, Okay, I need to have a way of being able to select multiple workers and then assign them to a block. Is what I need to do. So, let's see what I have in the characters things. I have the give order, which, do I have that really implemented as anything? Because I thought I was going to try something and it wasn't really working. I do not have any implementation code whatsoever. Cool. Gets that taken care of. So, let's go to here. Okay, yeah. So if we select it with the right click, get the lift point center X and center Y. And then, Okay, so... You get the lift points. Does it... Did I have it discerning between which one you get? Yes, okay. Okay. So, we've got a big undertaking ahead of us. Now, I can't get scared. I can't start overthinking this. I have to just keep my cool here. Okay. Baby steps. Okay, so it gets the center of whatever lift point is active. Alright, I've got that. That goes to temp X and temp Y. Let's also just add in another one here that's, yeah, let's get the keyboard layout correct. I thought I had that set to global. Yeah, I do. I guess I just didn't set it ever since I logged in. I never really had to type anything. That's not really true. I had to type in Chrome, but I guess Chrome is kind of its own beast. Very independent of everything else. Alright. So then. Start here, let's go temp assign. There we go, temp assign equals -1 there. So that way we don't confuse block 0 with what the actual value is of the default that we're assigning here. That is something I have to keep in mind when dealing with arrays. Okay, so assign equals I will say. Then yeah, if x and x and y are 0, then we just place it there. Else, hang on. Some nice, peaceful music to try and keep my stress levels down. I had such clear thought the last time I was doing this, and now I don't. Just the guitar. Focus on the guitar. Or think about the guitar. Oh, I love this song. Okay. Character is what we're trying to do here. So give it the order. Rather than making it the map, let's go with making it the block. Let's try this. Pound include block.hpp. There we go. What variables do I have access to here? None. Sweet. Why not? Okay, so we'll just go block past block. So we're just going to be dealing with a single past block in this instance. Alright, is it a void? Yes. Okay. Alright, so place the node at the past x and y values. Okay, and then we'll say if... Well, but this is... Okay. This is a one-time called function. So place the node there. And then... Huh. This is... Okay, so it's gonna... We place the node at the active lift point. First, we need to make sure that we're not double assigning workers here. So... lift point is active, then let's make lift point active. Equal false. There we go. No. Can't do that. Okay, how do we do this? How do we do this? This is something that needs to happen here correctly and viably. How about we just make a block object down here? Local block. There. So we will then take the past block and store it in the local block. And then... Well, that's not gonna work. I could make this a pointer, actually. Just make this a pointer here. Make this a pointer there. And then just pass the address of the outer block into this block. Hopefully that'll work. I'm not sure how that'll work in a pointer vector. Hopefully it'll work. Let's spam some emotes in chat real fast. Aha! I figured out how to close the emote panel. There we go. That'll give me some false metrics for me to look at happily. Yeah, sorry you guys can't see the full title of the songs as they crop up constantly. Like I did say, a massive crash happened, and I haven't been able to get everything set back up to how it's supposed to be. Mainly because I can't remember how I got it to there in the first place. Okay, so we will then say local block equals past block. So we've got that done. Then I'm not sure exactly how to implement from here. And so, I mean, obviously we're going to move over there. I need to leave all this code alone, because this is just basic movement. And this is more movement. Or movement definitions. So here would be where I need to add something in. So, would I need to, though, because... No, I do need to. Alright, let's go switch. Past tile x 20 y divided by 20 dot occupied type. Say ground, case ground. Bring all these kind of up into the same areas together. There we go. Now let's break. Actually, no. That's a good way to just break what I just barely got working last week. Let's put all this in front first. And now... say case... What are the occupation types? Square block lift. So if this is a square, block, lift. Let's break for now, but let's just put in here a debug output. Activating square block lift point. There we go. And then let's just say default. Break. If I could type, this would work better. Alright, let's build. See what happens. It's going a bit sluggish, but fair enough. Alright. Obviously, I need something more to go into this to tell it this isn't just like a regular thing here. Because we're placing a node here, going through all these different things. Actually, you know what? Let's just do this. Let's go past tile. Wait, shoot. Nope. I can't do that here. Alright, so if an order was given... If ordered... And define the definition between an order or a non-order. Oh gosh. My mind is hurting right now. Okay. Alright. I need to get out a flowchart here, because I cannot keep my thoughts in order. Let's install this real quick, shall we? Calligra. I believe that's what it's called. Flowchart. Let's try flowchart. Calligra flow, there it is. And a bunch of stuff from the QT and KDE desktops. But I need my flowcharts, because I need to be able to sort out how everything pieces itself together. Alright, let's turn on some regular music, but this time it'll stick with the OC remix, but we're gonna branch out a bit more. Where's Asterix and Obelix? There it is. Shuffle. it's downloading quickly. That's nice. Bum, 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 bum. So I'm considering maybe doing some playthrough type stuff, recording that and editing that back together, try and get back into the whole video editing aspect that I kinda... I hate to say it, but I kinda feel like I almost miss it. Just the like little production type stuff. Watching a lot of the videos on Extra Play has shown me that it's actually not a bad thing if you're really, really behind on your editing, or even if you do a full playthrough before you start uploading anything. I mean, after all the Dan Jones playthrough of Bloodborne, it seems as though like it's almost entirely done, or it was almost all entirely done before Christmas, despite the fact that the first episode didn't go live like until just before, or like maybe not even until January, really. Like, he's talking about one of the more recent episodes, he's talking about like his Thanksgiving dinner and setting up his Christmas tree and stuff like that. And it's just like, yeah, that's not something you do like in March. That's how far back those are. Alright, so Text Live. A lot of things to do with graphics, pictures, and diagrams. Meh. Alright, where's it at? Education, graphics development. System? No. Office? Where is it at? No. Alright, let's go. Calligra-flow. Let's get the full name of it. Or maybe there's no dash. Aha! Here we go. Need to make a launcher for this. Let's go with an empty landscape document. Why not? Okay, circuits, chemistry, assorteds. Here we go. That's not what I want. Was it the SDLs that I was using before? Maybe. Alright, let's just do this real quick. Okay, here we go. Drag and drop it. Alright, this will be our character. This over here is going to be this is the block over here. Alright, so the character... Can I draw some shapes, draw some lines? Connect, okay. So let's put this down here. So we place the node on the block. Wow, that looks great and professional and fits perfectly in the lines, doesn't it? Delete all that. Let's try it again. Okay. First step in this mess, character. Okay. Let's make this big first off. Alright. First off, we place node. Okay, so we place the node. Basic flowchart. Oh, there's the stuff I was looking for, dadgummit. Okay, let's just put a little arrow in down here. There we go. Alright, first thing we do, you place the node. Then we have to check the node. What was I at? SDLs? Yeah. So now we check the node. Check where slash what? Where slash what the node is. Wait, that's it. I need two different types of nodes. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's save this. Let's save this under the projects folder so it gets backed up and saved and everything. RTS lava blocker. Let's go to new folder. Flow chart. And we'll call it flowchart. FLOWCHART. And I seem to recall that there were issues with that save format here. So let's... we'll just save it as it is. Alright. We'll leave that here. Okay, character. AI point node. Now let's go with AI point... I don't want to say action node, because movement could be defined as an action. What the heck? No thanks. Okay, I can go with this one. A Donkey Kong remix, that's fine. I had no clue what that Final Fantasy thing was. That was just creepy. Okay. So, we need to have a second node for giving orders. Oh gosh. Let's say it's a, we'll call it a work node. How does that sounds good. Because we're telling it to work. That can mean we can use the work node for pushing, lifting, or pushing the blocks, lifting the blocks, pushing the wall, or, yeah, no, we can use it for that. Pushing the blocks, pushing the wall, lifting the blocks, moving them into place. So, yeah, should work there. Oh, I'm already out of Dr. Pepper? Come on, what is with that? That didn't last me very long. It didn't even make it through an hour. You're terrible. There's never enough of you. Alright. Goofs aside. Alright. Bit of a shiver gone down my spine there. Alright, let's get rid of that, because that's not going to get us anywhere. That's... Dadgummit, now I'm just... I'm just blanking on where I should go next. So, the node has been placed. What systems does the node have for telling me? Okay, it tells us whether or not it's been placed. Alright, so we place the node. We'll call this, we'll say it's work node. Placed. And it's just movement node. Okay, so this one is if movement node is placed. Shoot. Oh, how do I do this? Because I'm gonna end up repeating a lot of the same stuff. I feel like I don't need to repeat all that same stuff. I don't need to repeat all the exact same code. Okay, how about this? We go... do this, make sure, or if this, or work node is placed. Okay. No, I need to back it out to here. And I need to get rid of this. So let's tab all this stuff. right here. Tab it all backwards. Let's get rid of that. And that one. Because those are the ones that are no longer needed. Alright, so let's get rid of that too. Alright, so I say at the start here, I say if node is placed. Let's get some temps going in here. Int temp x, temp y. Is that thunder I'm hearing? No. Okay. No, it's the women in the living room listening to something. Okay, so let's say temp x is equal or equals node.getX. Nod.getY, yes. Okay. Else if work node is placed, we do the same thing, but this time we do it using the work node coordinates rather than the regular node's coordinates. Alright, then we replace this with temp x. And then temp y. Okay. Oh, goodness. Alright, there we go. That's all good there. That's all good there. Okay, if x is equal to temp x, equal to temp y, node is placed. Well, then obviously we pick it up. Else if work node is placed, go, pick up the work node. All right. A bouncy little tune. Super Mario Super Hipster Land. Oh, it just had to be ruined with the name, didn't it? Oh well, what do you do? You get tired, that's what you do. What a week this has been. Okay. Alright, now let's make sure that this all still works. That I didn't forget something or miss something somewhere. Shoot. Alright, let's do this here. If temp x and is greater than or equal to 0 and temp y is greater than or equal to 0. And we execute all this. Let's just tab all this back over again. Actually, you know what? I'll just leave it where it's at.
It is like a finger pointing away to the moon. Don't concentrate on the finger or you will miss all that heavenly glory.
Pilot wings, you don't talk about Flight Club.
The finest ingredients are right in the...
Yeah. Event. No thanks. Metroid, Final Fantasy, Kirby, Sonic Adventure. Sure, it had some good music, even if the game itself was a bit lackluster. I'm actually trying to play through it just to kind of see how bad and deep the bad goes, and how bad it actually is. Set these to -1. There we go. That will now make sure that things should not run off randomly anymore. I've already had enough issues with that. Alright, things seem to be good now. Okay, so... Okay, so then the local block is then passed, the passed block is then stored in the local block. So then... over in the local, or over in the block class, there needs to be a method for activating lift points. So what would be the easiest way of doing that? I feel like the easiest thing to do is going to be to... Okay, the easiest thing to do, I think, to activate the lift points is to simply pass the coordinates of the character to the class and have the block, or to the plot, give the block the coordinates of the character, and then let the block figure out which lift point has gone active. Because if you try doing it the other way around, we're gonna have scoping problems and permissions glitches and problems like that. So yeah, open mouth emojis for a little bit. There we go. Close the panel, because I know how to now. Hehe. Okay, so let's make us a void here. Activate lift point. Past X, past Y. It's just active, or did I say activate? It's just active. Activate lift point. There we go. Get the lift points. Okay. Void block. Activate lift point. Okay. For short. Just copying all of this. Okay, it activates its lift point by standing on it, passes its coordinates there, and then it's if past x is equal to lift point I dot x. And need the other one in here too. What's playing now? Another Final Fantasy.
Well. Samba time, baby.
Animal Crossing, no. See if I can find some Mega Man 2 ones that are good. Various Mega Man X games. Oh sheesh, there's a truckload of these things. Okay. This is a pretty good song if I wanted like metal or something, but... I'll give this a shot. Yeah, this is cheery. I can get into this. Okay. Alright, if past x equals lift point, then lift point there. It makes it false. Alright, and let's also just make it say lift point deactivated. Here we go. Character. If it's the work node, pick it up. And then local block. Activate lift point. X, Y. If this actually works, this will be very, very, very simple for how I want to do this. So else player I dot order, is it? Give order. Temp X, temp Y, and let's see, it's a piece. Temp sign. Sign, yeah. Just pass it its address and hopefully that'll work. Semicolon that off. Let's just see if it works. Oh. I dot Y. There we go. Let's try it again. Clean and build. Take a few seconds, but... Come on, why is it not... Shoot. Hold on, I bet I know why. Let's go there. Nope, still not registering correctly. So why would this not be working? The only reason I can think is because temp X and temp 0, or temp X and temp Y are not getting assigned values. Alright. Let's do this. 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 Temp X and temp Y are never getting assigned their values. But they're not holding it. What? That's why the system's not working. It's not even getting the values. Ugh. Now, why would this be the case? That helps nothing on there. Alright, so these, when you call them... Shoot. Shoot. Reference operator, blah 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 blah, push this and that here, mess with that, do this, do that. It's not seeing it as an actual class. It's not seeing it as an array of classes. How do I fix this? This is like a NetBeans issue. How do I do this? Template-based identifier. You know what? Let's just Google this. Unable to Resolve. Template-based identifier. Okay. Include. I don't know where to go now. Includes? Boost. Pointer container. Saving your changes will upgrade the current program to the current project version. Yeah, go ahead. Reparsing. Still not working. And I'm going basically cross-eyed right now. Okay, where do they install to? USR/lib, there we go. Let's try that one. USR/lib. I see nothing about boost in here. Let's try this directory /USR share /boost build. Build? Nope. Kernel? Nope. Tools? Probably not. Utilities? Nope, still not working. I don't know. I'm too tired to go on, so I'm gonna go ahead and call this a night. Have a good one, everybody. Sorry about being so short, but... You know what? I'll let this song finish. But I'm still done. Have a good night, everybody.